Hi there guys, today I bring to you this AC adapter. This one is with EU plug, as you can see here. This particular one have an output of 12 volts with 2 amperes of current. It works just fine. I bought it on GearBest mobile app. Works very well. I have no problems till present moment with it, using it. It sells at €2.54 and this is a good AC adapter. If you need it, if you need one, buy it. GearBest has the best things at best cost, so you know what you have to do. Till next video, bye.